as payment history accounts for a large portion of your credit score. Reducing your overall debt and keeping your credit utilization ratio low, ideally under 30%, can also help boost your score. It's important not to close old accounts, as they contribute to the length of your credit history, which is another factor in determining your score. By maintaining responsible financial habits, such as paying bills on time, reducing debt, and keeping credit utilization in check, you can gradually improve your credit score. Best of all, this approach doesn't require any costly services. Credit counselors can be a valuable resource for individuals looking to repair their credit and regain financial stability. These professionals assess your financial situation, including your income, expenses, and debts, to create a personalized plan that helps you manage your finances and improve your credit.